me this evening on debate number 1, Paisa Politics. I'm joined by Dr. Sambit Patra, national spokesperson of the BJP, joining me live in our studios here in Delhi. And with him in the studios is also Sudhindra Bhadoria, leader of the BSP, joining me live from our studios. Ratan Sharda, author, joining us live from Mumbai. Sunil Alak, chairman of SKA Advisors, joining us live from Kanpur. Saeed Asim Waqar, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, joining us live from Lucknow. Rajiv Ranjan Prasad, spokesperson of the Janata Dal United, joining us live from Patna. And Sabah Naqvi, senior journalist, also joining us live from Delhi. But coming to you first, Mr. Sudhindra Bhadoria. Caste card. There have been a total of 800 surveys that have been done by the tax authorities. 500 cash seizures have been done, 500 crore worth of cash seizures. 3,900 crore worth of concealed income has come out. The question I'm asking you is, tax authorities are doing their jobs. What should they do when one bank branch gets 104 crores in deposits, 18 crores on a single day being deposited? They're just merely asking questions. Should I ask you a question? Do you remember Mayawati was the chief minister in 2011 in Uttar Pradesh? Would you agree with me?
Well, I'll answer your question in totality.
But was Mayawati the chief minister in 2011?
I think it is known to one and all the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh.
What did she do? When the commercial tax department of the UP government run by Mayawati indulged, was it indulging in vendetta when it raided the premises of 8 tobacco companies and they were suspected of tax evasion to the tune of 150 crore? Was she also indulging in vendetta politics?
Can I answer your questions?
Please go ahead.
Well, I have on your debate on this issue, particularly on demonetization and black money and corruption and the things related with this, have answered this, that we believe in rule of law and there are double standards being practiced. We saw that there was a vendetta when the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, in his rally in Agra, he had very clearly stated that he was going to attack certain political parties, and he made it very clear that he would not spare them. And it is this that we understand, that because Bahan Mayawati ji, the national president of the Bahujan Samaj Party, took up the campaign against the issues which were emerging out of demonetization, where 125 people died, where the farmers, where the peasants, where the weavers, where the poor was getting affected. So therefore, when she became a voice of all this, and for the coming UP elections, these people were threatened, and it is this threat which forced them to selectively leak these kind of informations. I want to know from Times Now that when Amit Shah, who is director in a bank, their 500 crore rupees are deposited in Gujarat, nobody lifts an eyebrow. When the BJP deposit money in Calcutta, nobody raises an issue. It is these people, Pankaja Munde's relatives are caught with 10 crores, nobody makes it an issue.
Mr.
And
Bhadoria,
also I would like to say that...
Mr. Bhadoria, this is Tanvi here from the Bombay studio, and we put your question.
I'll answer all your questions. Let me just complete in 10 seconds. I will answer all your questions. Let me just complete in 10 seconds. It is this double standards being practiced by the BJP government, and we are being targeted because the BJP feels that there is a threat to the BS from BSP, and that is why Bahan Mayawati ji has singularly been targeted, and they are using the same agencies.
Awaaz Sangh's president Sushil Vaswani in Madhya Pradesh was also raided.
Well, I tell you, I want to know
was that also that
of course, we want to know what has happened to the Panama Papers. We want to know what has happened to the Swiss account holders. They are all the friends of Mr. Modi. They are not digress. It is against black money.
Suddenly
it is against those people.
We will talk.
This is the double standard that I am trying to raise. That the BJP government is practicing double standards, trying to safeguard certain monopoly houses, certain those friends.
Okay, is Samajwadi Party a friend? Is Samajwadi Party a friend? Let me get in Saeed Asim Waqar before I come to Dr. Sambit Patra. Saeed Asim Waqar, क्या आप भी दोस्त हैं बीजेपी के? समाजवादी पार्टी पर तो कोई रेड नहीं हुई। ये कह रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं अगर बहुजन समाज पार्टी से, तो सिंगल आउट किया जा रहा है बहुजन समाज पार्टी को। सईद असीम वकार, क्या समाजवादी पार्टी बीजेपी की दोस्त है?
कांग्रेस के सुदीन भदौरिया जी ने क्या कहा क्या नहीं कहा, ये उनका अपना फेल है। बहुजन समाज पार्टी के बारे में सिर्फ एक बात बोल दूं शुरुआत में, कि पूरी दुनिया में, खासकर हिंदुस्तान में, एक बात सब जानते हैं कि बहुजन समाज पार्टी में टिकट बेचा जाता है और करोड़ों रुपए में टिकट बेचा जाता है। ये बात मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ,
परिवार 40 लोग
ये
एक
बात
खानदान के नेता बने हुए
बात पूरी हो जाने
हैं।
दीजिए,
उनके बारे में बताइए जो आपके यहाँ
भदौरिया जी, बात पूरी हो जाने दीजिए, फिर बीच में
नहीं, आप ये तो बताइए।
Mr. Bhadoria, let Saeed Asim Waqar make a point here.
झूठ बोलते हैं
Mr. Bhadoria, let Saeed Asim Waqar make a point here. We'll come to you. I just want to understand what the SP has to say here.
To mislead the debate.
No, so let us allow us, Mr. Bhadoria, to mediate the debate.
I will have to
Yes, so allow us to interfere, allow us to mediate the debate. No, 1 minute. My question to Saeed Asim Waqar is, Saeed Asim Waqar, if tomorrow raids are conducted on people on bank accounts that are connected to the Samajwadi Party, are you still going to say that, very good, this is about corruption, that is what is happening, or are you then very quickly going to go on BSP side and start calling it, or TMC side and start calling it vendetta politics? Very quickly, just your answer on that much. अभी तक तो एसपी पे रेड हुई नहीं है, पर हो जाए तो।
नाविका जी, पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट कर लूं आपसे कि डिबेट में आपने बुलाया है तो डिबेट के तरीके भी तय कर दिया कीजिए और इंसानों को बुलाया कीजिए जिनके पास इतनी सलाहियत हो कि जो बात दूसरों को करने का मौका दें।
जी बिल्कुल जी, सुदींद्र भदौरिया जी आपके बाद बोलेंगे, मैं उनको पूरा मौका दूंगी। सईद असीम वकार, आप बोले। आप बहुजन समाज पार्टी पर कुछ कह रहे थे और मैं ये पूछ रही हूं कि क्या आपकी दोस्ती है बीजेपी के साथ कि आपसे सवाल नहीं पूछे गए और सिर्फ बीएसपी से पूछे गए, यही आरोप है बीएसपी का?
अरे मेरी बात तो पूरी आ जाने दीजिए। बहुजन समाज पार्टी क्या आरोप लगा रही है क्या नहीं लगा रही है, इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। बहुजन समाज पार्टी के बारे में लोग जानते हैं कि वो टिकट बेचते हैं, लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी से मेरा एक सवाल है कि अभी आपने देखा होगा कितने करोड़ों रुपए नए पकड़े जा रहे हैं, पुराने भी पकड़े जा रहे हैं। अभी एक गुजरात में महेश शाह नाम का आदमी था जिसके पास से 13,500 करोड़ रुपए पकड़े गए और बाद में एक खबर चली कि उसने कहा कि मैं नाम बताने को तैयार हूं किन किन के पैसे हैं और अभी और पैसे आएंगे सामने, लेकिन मीडिया में 24 घंटे के बाद से उसकी खबरें आना बंद हो गई और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जो सीबीआई है वो
वकार जी जरा बीएसपी में आने वाले हैं ऐसा लगता है।
एक मिनट बोलने दे,
पूछ रहे हैं,
बोलने दे,
बीजेपी से सवाल पूछ वकार जी, बीएसपी कब ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं? बात सुनने में आया है आप बीएसपी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, ये सच्चाई है या नहीं है, बता दीजिए। आप बीएसपी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, कब ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं?
के बारे में अगर मैंने जिक्र कर लिया
ना मैं बता दूं महेश शाह के बारे में, उसे तो हमने गिरफ्तार कर दिया है। हमने डिमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद गिरफ्तार बताएंगे, चिंता मत करो। जिस दिन महेश शाह नाम बता देंगे और वो हम डिक्लेयर कर देंगे तो आप फोन करेंगे इंटॉलरेंस वालों को, हेलो इंटॉलरेंस वालों जल्दी आ जाओ, फैलाओ। मैं जानता हूँ, मैं हेलो करेंगे,
ओके ऑलराइट, संबित पात्रा
अवार्ड वापसी वाला।
Sambit Patra, hang on a minute. Sambit Patra, hang on a minute. We are going haywire again. One more time. Let's hold back. Let's take one step back, Sambit Patra. 1 minute.
Standing. The day they are caught, they would be spreading this.
Sambit Patra and Saeed Asim Waqar. 1 minute. Is this? Can we just hold on for a bit?
No, this is warning to all those who are corrupt. All those who are corrupt.
Finish democracy from the country. The BJP is vendetta against the opposition. They are trying to annihilate the complete opposition.
Navika,
we are trying to annihilate corruption.
Navika, I have a fear tonight. Okay. Navika, I have a fear tonight. You know what is going to happen?
Maintain some order so that everybody's voice gets heard.
Navika, I have a fear tonight that apart from some of our panelists, I am also going to get left out of it with you and the BSP and the BJP in one studio. The BSP and BJP very soon are going to be in one boxing match and everybody else will get left out of it. So very quickly, just going across to our other guests and coming across to some of our other panelists, and I believe now Professor Ashok Sinha is also with us of the RJD. Rajiv Ranjan Prasad continues to stay with us, and then yes, Ratan Sharda will come to you. But just going across to Professor Ashok Sinha also, Why is it, Professor Sinha, that some of the political parties have immediately, why is it that the TMC, the BSP, and even your party is immediately jumping to every political crackdown and saying this is vendetta politics, this is political vendetta? Every day there are at least 20 to 25 raids being conducted across the country, from Tamil Nadu to Punjab, from Karnataka to West Bengal. There is a nationwide crackdown happening across banks, across different walks of life. So what makes political parties think that they are above all of this, and for them it's just political vendetta and not actually the fight against black money?
No, actually, what is the problem with BSP? That's Surendra Bhadoria ji, he will reply. I want to make it clear that all those raids, whether it be in Tamil Nadu on BJP president, youth president, or deposition of deposition in accounts of Calcutta unit, or purchase of lands in Bihar, I think, or deposition of 500 crore in Gujarat, or Mahesh, or apprehension of 13,500 crore in account of Mahesh Shah. I think everything should be probed and brought to book. If these are the things which doesn't happen, naturally people will think that if one part of a story
very quickly going on Ashok
Sinha, is there any comparison between 1 crore
doesn't come, naturally
BJP's
it's
deposits in Kolkata versus 104 crore in BSP accounts? Any comparison?
The amount does not matter as long as if
He's right, the amount does not matter. I want to answer
I think
that.
the BJP will have to be brought to
I want to answer. I'll answer
Amounts
that.
don't matter.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
in money.
They have lakhs
No,
of
whether it be 104 crore or 1 crore,
the issue.
everything
I will
should
tell
be
you what
proved.
is the issue. I will tell you what is the issue.
I want to say that everything should be proved.
Rajiv Ranjan Prasad of the JDU, let me ask him. Let me ask Rajiv Ranjan Prasad of the JDU.
What are shouting the most? Can I please come in?
Yes, Sambit Patra, let me get in an opposition party's point of view. Rajiv Ranjan Prasad, and then I'll come to you, Sambit Patra. Rajiv Ranjan Prasad, are amounts not important when there is a crackdown on black money and corruption that's going on? Are amounts not important, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan? Is 104 crore rupee
500
deposit?
crore of Amit Shah's cooperative
No, who
bank,
says
he
that I
mentioned
object to that? I object to that. No, I object to that.
One day.
Once
Okay.
today Mayawati
Okay.
पहली बात तो ये
Okay, a
है
charge has been made here.
आपका-
A charge has been made. Rajiv
आप
Ranjan, I
काला
have to
धन
give
पर अगर
Sambit
प्रहार
Patra
करना
the chance
चाहते
to
हैं,
speak first. Rajiv
तो
Ranjan,
चाहे
please
वो
stay with me.
amount
Sambit
हो-
Patra, a charge has been made against you.
I'll come to that. I
Yes.
would not shout. I would be calm because I want the people to know the facts. No, one has
नहीं,
to understand.
आप अभी आपने मेरा सवाल तो लिया नहीं है.
हाँ, राजीव रंजन जी आपके पास आ रही हूँ. वो एक भदौरिया साहब ने एक चार्ज लगाया बीजेपी के ऊपर, तो मैं बीजेपी का रिस्पांस ले रही हूँ और फिर आपके पास आ रही हूँ.
धन्यवाद राजीव जी. थोड़ा बेयर करिए. सॉरी. I'll be very calm because facts should come out to the people. Only shouting would not do. What has happened in Mayawati ji's case? First and foremost, there was a rule.
Please explain about Amit Shah.
No, this is not the way. This is not the way to debate. You are not the anchor. I'll have my 30 seconds. This is not the way of debating. This is not the way of
Mr.
debating.
Bhadoria, Mr. Bhadoria,
I have to
okay, Mr. Bhadoria,
not the way of debating.
Mr. Bhadoria, I will give you full time to
We respect
speak.
you.
I will give you full time to speak. Let's maintain the decorum.
Yes,
Let
sure.
Sambit Patra make his point in 30 seconds or 60 seconds, and then I will come to you. Yes, Sambit
Thank you
Patra.
so much, Mr. Bhadoria. Number one, in this case, after November 8, a rule had come up. The rule was if any ordinary person deposits 2.5 lakh in the account.
But this is not an ordinary person.
Let me just complete my 60 seconds now, because I was hearing. If you deposit 2.5 or less, you would not be asked question. If an ordinary man deposits more than 2.5, he or she would be questioned by the ED or the income tax. Is Mayawati or her brother, for that matter of purpose, Mr. Anand, exempt of all this? Anyone and everyone. You cannot have a VIP rule over here that an ordinary person would be questioned as to what was the source of income, and Mayawati ji is above all pedestal and she would not be questioned, or her brother would not be questioned just because Mr. Anand is Mayawati ji's brother. Ordinary man is questioned, she has to be questioned as well. Number two, as far as Amit Shah is concerned, show me what are you talking about. If you say that a bank has 500 crore deposits, do you arrest the bank chairman or do you arrest the person and question him, the one who has deposited the money? Mahesh Shah, you are questioning us about Mahesh Shah. Who caught Mahesh Shah? It was because of this demonetization that many of these people who were with black money came out of the rat holes. They were nabbed, they were caught, they are being questioned. They were living in the comfort zone which were laid down by these political parties. And let me tell you, these are the gang of Wasapur, gang of the corrupts today coming against us just because we have rightly caught hold of them. Answer the questions rather than shouting over here, Mr.
Okay,
I have to just make one very brief point.
Yes, Mr.
We are being questioned. 500 crore rupees, where Mr. Amit Shah is a director. There in one day.
No, where is it written 500 crore rupees? Amit Shah is a director. Show me the paper.
That is the reason.
No, show me the paper and I'll answer questions. Show me the paper. You cannot.
Mr. Sudhindra Badoria and Sambit Patra. Dr. Sambit Patra and Mr. Sudhindra Badoria, let's not use this forum of the Newshour to make unsubstantiated claims. If you have substantiated claims, please.
Let there be an inquiry and they will.
Okay, first make a substantiated claim. Okay, gentlemen, I will have to get in the other panelists as well. Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, Tanvi was asking you a question, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan.
Can I come in one thing?
Yes, Abha, just 1 minute. Very quickly, going across to Rajiv Ranjan as well. Rajiv Ranjan, the point is, why shouldn't political parties be above suspicion? Everybody should be held by the same benchmark. All right, we'll go back to the BJP and ask them, why don't they also come and disclose every kind of deposit that has been made in all of the party bank accounts? But why should any opposition party question the government today when there is a crackdown happening? When everybody, the entire country has come together to back this move of demonetization, then why should you question when there is a crackdown happening? Why should you question when it is the Tamil Nadu Chief Secretary whose son's companies are under the radar, who's confessed to something? Why should you? Yes, let me finish my question. Why should you question? Why should you question when it has now been proven that there were problems with the disclosures that were made by the Aam Aadmi Party, and so the IT department is doing its job. So let the agencies do their job.
बिल्कुल, अब आप जवाब ले लीजिए।
So बताइए।
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि डीमोनेटाइजेशन के आसपास जो देश में कुछ जो घटनाएं हुई हैं, अगर उनको आप देखें तो मुझे लगता है जो मायावती जी के ब्रदर के अकाउंट को लेकर के आज बातें हो रही हैं, जनार्दन रेड्डी को लेकर के सुसाइड नोट लिखा एक ऑस्कर के ड्राइवर ने, कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई। बीजेपी के एक्स कैंडिडेट मनीष शर्मा के पास 35 लाख रुपीस कैश पकड़े गए नई करेंसीज में बंगाल में, उस पर कोई अब तक इंटरोगेशन के क्या परिणाम है उसको आपने जनता की
कार्रवाई लेकिन सब केस में हो रही है। राजीव रंजन जी कार्रवाई सब केस में हो रही है। कार्रवाई तब भी हो रही थी, कार्रवाई आज भी हो रही है। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आज मायावती जी ने आके सवाल पूछ लिए हैं, आज बाकी पार्टीज जो है नर्वस होकर सवाल पूछ रही है, उस दिन नहीं पूछे थे। कार्रवाई तो हर पार्टी के अगेंस्ट हो रही है, वही तो मैं भी आपसे बोल रही हूँ। जब ये सबके साथ हो रहा है तो एक को
हाँ, ये सवाल
क्या जनार्दन रेड्डी के उस केस में उस सुसाइड नोट पे कार्रवाई हो रही है
बिहार में? प्लीज अगर सारे सवाल आप पूछेंगी तो जवाब हम लोगों का तो
नहीं, आप गलत चीज बता रहे व्यूअर्स को, मैं बस सही कर रही हूं
पहले
जी।
हम नहीं, आप अपने तरीके से आपने सवाल पूछे, मेरा जवाब दीजिए और मुझे वक्त दीजिए। ये सवाल बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। सवाल ये है कि बिहार में 31 लैंड डील्स हुए जिसको हम लोगों ने स्कैम बताया डिमोनेटाइजेशन के 2 महीने पहले और डिमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद। उसमें करेंसी कैश कई खरीदारियां हुई, उसमें कई जगह पैन का जो नंबर था वो डबल पैन नंबर के जरिए इस्तेमाल हुआ, कई जगहों पर दिल्ली का एड्रेस था और परचेस करने वाले ने अपने नाम से वो जमीन खरीदी। इतने सारे चीजों के बाद डिमोनेटाइजेशन में हम लोगों का आरोप था कि काला धन को सफेद बनाने के लिए इस पूरे पैसे का इस्तेमाल हुआ और इस फैसले
तो
के
क्या किया आपने वो एविडेंस का? संबित पात्रा जी बोल रहे हैं
आपके पास भी है राजीव रंजन जी।
हमारा
राजीव रंजन जी, स्टेट में भी एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो होता है, स्टेट में आप एक्शन ले सकते हैं। आपने क्या किया?
Black
रतन
money पर
शारदा,
crackdown करना
should
चाहते
political
हैं,
parties,
तो आपके
Ratan
अपने
Sharda,
और परायों के
should
बीच
political
फर्क कीजिए।
parties only
आप
cry
इन सवालों
foul,
पर
only complain
आप ये साफ
about
बताइए कि आपके अपने
anti-federalism
और
every
पराये
time
अलग-अलग
questions
नहीं
are
होंगे।
asked of them?
आपने जिन
The
पर भी
question is,
प्रहार किया
when
है,
they
उन
are in
सब पर
states,
प्रहार
the
होना
states they are in, they have their
आपके
own
दल के
anti-corruption
लोग अगर
bureaus, they
ऐसे
have their
बात
own
नहीं-
police. Can they themselves not take action against any corruption or black money activity that has taken place in their states? Why point fingers to the caste explanation? Why point fingers to the agencies which are doing their jobs? The agencies are asking questions of everybody. They're asking questions of Sushil Vaswani of the Madhya Pradesh Rajya Sehkari Awas Sangh, as they are asking questions of Anand Kumar, who is the brother of Mayawati. What's wrong in agencies asking questions when they have to go after all this undisclosed black money that's lying with people?
Navika, first of all, let me tell you that what people have not realized, in spite of looking at Modi for so long, that there are no holy cows. He will attack any organization, any person who is corrupt. He is not going to take any sides. This is proven by last so many years. In Gujarat he did it, in Mumbai, in India he is doing it, in the central government is doing it. He has broken the gentleman's agreement between political parties of protecting each other. That cozy relationship between bureaucrats, politicians and the government has been broken. That is the cause of all this chaos. There was a time when people were caught corrupt, would hide their face in handkerchiefs, move away from camera. Now we have Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu taking press conference, Mayawati taking press conference. So they are playing caste card. The person whom they claim to follow, Dr. Ambedkar, never played caste card. He fought against these forces by sheer quality, by rising above the muck, and he fought till the last, and that is why he's Bharat Ratna. If they take their name and they're going down their knees to fight every kind of cause, they want corruption to be removed, but not to be touched themselves. This government has got BJP people, it has got government officers, it has got bureaucrats, political parties not far away. As I said, there is no holy cow, anybody's number can come. That is why these people are crying hoarse. That is the reason they are making noise. So the government should not come to them. But let me tell you, he will not give a damn. He will take action again where required. If tomorrow BJP needs to be put into in this legal case, he will go for that also. I am very sure about that. Or else all these government that BJP has, right. The MP minister in Madhya Pradesh was caught. This will happen. These people should be sure they have to put their face straight, they have to clear their files.
Point taken, Mr. Ratan Sharda. Let me get in Sabha Naqvi also, because she observes all political parties. Sabha, do you think the former Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu, taking the example of protection coming in from Mamata Banerjee, coming in from Rahul Gandhi, actually adds to the stature of these leaders? I mean, if there is, facilitation fees that his son, who lives with him, has taken, isn't the agency that is probing into this entire issue within its rights to probe into it and do the searches of his house if his son lives there and he's taken facilitation fees of 10 crore rupees?
So Navika, can I reply now? Obviously, in agencies should be free to probe everything, but I'm not going to answer that question. I'm going to take up some points that Mr. Ratan Sharda made. He says that everything is above board. Now, please hear me out uninterrupted. The most expensive general election, according to the world media, was held in India in 2014 when the BJP, according to Election Commission figures, these are not wild charges, spent over 700 crores. Let me assure you, when we go to UP, I have covered enough BJP elections, the helicopters, the hoardings, the 3D thing campaign will be on with the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mayawati will have 2 choppers. Samajwadi Party will do its road rallies. The expensive campaign will be mounted by the Bharatiya Janata Party. There is no comparison in the wealth.
I want to answer that.
1 minute, Shambit. Let her finish her point. She's just come with the first point.
And
every party, as per their power, they do it. Is it something new? Is it something new? Was it not happening for last 70 years? Sabha, don't try to just
let her finish her point. Let her finish
all
her
parties
point.
are involved.
Yes, Sabha, very quickly.
Now
Finish
Modi
your point.
wants to
Mr. Ratan
reform the
Sharda, let her
elections.
finish her point.
Why he's been opposed for reforming the election commission?
BJP supporters.
Yeah, Sabha, quickly. Please go ahead.
Does not want to hear me? Can I finish?
Yes.
Now, let me finish. So let's have a very honest debate on black money. Let's have a very honest debate on political funding. Let's find out the sources of all the parties 3 months before demonetization till from go into every party because people know the truth.
Yes.
Go into it. Look at the party which has the
Okay, point taken. And Sabha, you know, we've had the debates of political funding on our channel earlier also, Sabha.
Most of its resources, nearly 75% of its resources in cash funds. Why do you not declare
who
all
is
the funds that you
electoral
raise
reforms?
below 20,000 rupees?
Who is opposing electoral reforms? Tell
Convenient
me.
way of camouflaging where your money is coming
Why
from?
elections can't be held simultaneously?
Mr. Sarda,
Why government cannot fund the elections? Who is stopping the reforms?
Mr. Sarda, can I just complete? It's for the first time after independence that the Prime Minister of the country has spoken about electoral reforms.
Spoken rules for common man.
No.
Crack down on common man. And for political parties, only speeches.
Let me complete.
Only speeches.
Not at all. The Prime Minister said that he took up the issue of electoral reforms, the all-party meeting before the session. He wanted this whole issue to be debated.
Not at all.
The opposition party, in fact, did not allow the parliament to
misleading the
So, in fact,
the Prime Minister can make rules.
This Prime
He can make law.
is going
He can
to
bring
change the
ordinances.
rules. He
can bring
Mr.
ordinances. But
Dr.
he will
Sambit
never
Patra,
against all
Dr.
those-
Sambit Patra, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, we have the BSP and the BJP offering water to each other. Okay, 1 minute. Dr. Sambit Patra, let me just tell you, for making transparency within your own party, you do not need an all-party meeting. For transparency and switching over to digital transactions of donations within your own party, you do not need the election commission, the parliament or other political parties. Why don't you start with yourself? Why don't you, as the ruling party of India, set an example for the others, considering that you're so committed to the fight against corruption and black money? Why don't you make the first move?
We have already made the move to the sense that all the payments that have been made in the
Hundreds
rallies,
of crores of
they
rupees
are
of
not
worth of votings
you
are
asked
already
this
put in
question to
UP.
Mr. Bhadoria.
Hundreds of crores of
Look at
rupees
him.
worth of
Okay, let
votings
him
are
answer.
already
Mr. Bhadoria, I've asked him a question. Let him answer.
Bhadoria,
So
Mr.
much wealth
Bhadoria,
is
the
being
elephant
sold
is sick.
lavishly,
Don't shout
being
at me.
spent
Treat
in
the
Uttar
elephant
Pradesh,
instead.
Not when even
Mr.
elections have been
Bhadoria,
announced.
the elephant is sick. Take the
Arre,
elephant
come
to the
on,
hospital.
Dr.
Don't
Sambit
shout at
Patra.
me.
You
Let
will
me
know
complete, Mr.
the
Bhadoria.
Kamal will be
Can we have
trampled
some
under the
sense?
feet
Mr.
of the-
Bhadoria,
Can we have
Mr.
some sense in the
Bhadoria,
debate?
let him
What is
answer and I'll
happening?
come back to you.
For the first time, all the payments that have been made in any political party, the bikes that we bought, the rallies that we have, all are, in fact, the payments are made to
By
check.
Pay-
It is for
ATM
scrutiny
and
in the
Paytm.
election commission. Everything has been sent to the election commission, unlike the other political parties like the Aam Aadmi Party and the BSP, which were concealing their
Through
income.
ATM
They
and
had concealed
Paytm,
their
they are
income.
paying through
Now,
cash.
Mr. Bhadoria, let me ask you a question. Okay, Mr. Bhadoria, let me ask you a question.
After looting 104
Why
crore rupees, you are
your
shouting at me?
accounts with the election
You have
commission
looted the
for
money
the
of the
year, 1 minute, Dr. Sambit Patra, for the year 2015-2016, your money collected by the BSP, not one donation above 20,000 rupees, which means not one single donor known. Which means all cash coming below 20,000 rupees.
Tickets.
Not one single donor above 20,000 rupees. Is that transparency, Mr. Bhadoria? And you're asking questions to others?
Each ticket was sold. You know, each ticket was sold by Mayawati.
Member of Parliament,
I mean, you would not know the exorbitant amount of money that has been taken by Mayawati to sell all these tickets.
In Bihar, the tickets were sold.
Why don't you answer for the
I will
BSP?
answer for myself. He is interrupting in between when you are asking that question.
I am
So have to
interrupting.
also clarify.
You are climbing on my head and
state
shouting
the
on my
record.
ears, and I'm
Let me
interrupting
say
you.
this,
Okay,
that
Shamit,
we
1
are
minute.
going to put
Shamit, 1 minute. You know what is happening? We're not able to understand either of you two because you're constantly sitting next to each other and having that fight. So Navika's just put forward a question.
Today Mayawati
Let's Mr.
has
Bhadoria
told
answer
Sudhir
that
Bhadoria
question.
won't allow
He will
anyone
not
to
let
speak.
me
Shamit, 1 minute.
I will answer.
Okay,
then he will be.
okay, peace
One
now.
at a time.
You know,
Because Sambit Patra has the right because they are in power to have a running commentary
Who is giving a
while
running
I'm speaking. So that
you know effectively what is going to happen now, Mr. Bhadoria. Neither you nor Shamit Patra will get a time to
At least
get
the
to
two
talk now.
gentlemen have shared a smile.
Yeah, so Navika, let them share that very beautiful moment.
Sunil Alag hasn't spoken. So Tanvi, maybe you can get
Yeah,
to
I was
Sunil
saying
Alag.
exactly that. Let both of them in the studio with you just share that moment and maybe calm down a little and very quickly go across to Sunil Alag. Meanwhile, Sunil Alag, the agitation here is very intriguing. But it does seem to be hurting all political parties, these repeated questions that we are asking about their political funding, forcing them and asking them to come out and put it all in the open. That's the basic point, isn't it? What's hurting Mayawati today is not that she thinks she's being targeted because she's a Dalit. It's because she fears that political funding will get cut off.
You know, I'm a little surprised that all the political parties who are carrying on fighting, and including when even Sabha came up with, let BJP do this first, then we'll do it second, and look at all the parties. But look, it reminds me of that Amitabh Bachchan line with Shashi Kapoor. वो पहले वो मेरे बाप जो जिसने लाइन लिखा है मेरे उसको जाके पकड़ो, then after that you catch me for all the problems that are created. अरे at this stage, if you get a murderer, if he says, until you don't catch Dawood Ibrahim, please release me, you first get Switzerland account, then you get the Panama Papers, then you have committed a crime, you're caught. Whether you are a Dalit, whether you're a political party, whether you're anyone. Once you are caught, you have to defend yourself. Don't worry, the government will get everybody in time. I'm surprised that everybody is saying, oh, I have done wrong, but you please don't have double standards. You first please catch someone else, then come and catch me. Not a single person has come up and said the entire evening that I am honest. What he's saying is, I am dishonest, but get the bigger dishonest guy first.
Saeed Asim Waqar ji, ek minute ruk jaiye. Saeed Asim Waqar ji, ek minute ruk jaiye. Let Sunil Alagh make his point.
I have kept quiet.
Let Sunil Alagh make his point. Saeed Asim Waqar, we'll come to you.
At 9:40.
Yes, yes, Sunil.
You can carry on. You can carry on arguing. I will not speak beyond another 60 seconds. And all I'm saying is, you're about time. Even in Parliament, आपने पहले किया था. Now I'll do a walkout. Who is going to take the first step and say this is a new nation? Mr. Modi doesn't have any relatives. He doesn't have anyone. He's taken a bold step. He is going
सईद
out
असीम
catching
वकार, आप
everyone.
क्या कह रहे हैं? किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
It makes no difference to him.
सईद असीम वकार जी, सईद असीम वकार, सईद असीम वकार, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? कोई समझ नहीं पा रहा है.
मैं बीएसपी ज्वाइन करने वाला हूँ.
सईद असीम वकार, सईद असीम वकार, मेरा आपसे डायरेक्ट सवाल है. सईद असीम वकार, आप जो कह रहे हैं किसी के समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, आप सवाल सुन लीजिए.
20,000 रुपए का.
देखिए,
आप सवाल सुन लीजिए सईद असीम वकार जी. मैं आपसे सीधा सा सवाल ये पूछती हूं कि क्या मायावती जी ने कहा कि अगर उनसे सवाल पूछे जाते हैं 104 करोड़ के डिपॉजिट के बारे में तो ये एक दलित पर प्रहार है. आप इससे कंफर्म करते हैं? आप इससे
नाविका जी उनसे पूछिए, समाजवादी पार्टी पर जब अटैक होगा तो क्या ये समाजवादी पार्टी उस समय मौन रहेगी?
अभी से गठबंधन बना रहे हैं.
जब अटैक होगा
भाई दोनों अभी से गठबंधन बना रहे हैं.
ये अजीब उत्तर प्रदेश पॉलिटिक्स है कि समाजवादी पार्टी से सवाल पूछो तो बहुजन समाज पार्टी जवाब देती है, बहुजन समाज पार्टी से सवाल पूछो तो समाजवादी पार्टी जवाब देती है. भदौरिया साहब, और दोनों जब बोल रहे होते हैं तो बीजेपी जवाब देती है. बीजेपी जवाब देती है. मैं समाजवादी पार्टी से, भदौरिया साहब, मैं समाजवादी पार्टी से डायरेक्ट सवाल पूछ रही हूं. भदौरिया साहब मुझे पूछने दें. समाजवादी पार्टी से सवाल है, क्या आप इत्तेफाक रखते हैं मायावती जी के स्टेटमेंट से कि अगर उनसे 104 करोड़ के बारे में सवाल पूछा जाए तो ये दलित पर प्रहार है? सिंपल सवाल है.
नहीं, देखिए मायावती जी से नहीं, आप देश में कभी भी किसी से भी सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. अगर इस तरह के मामलात आते हैं तो ना दलित का मामला है, ना मुसलमान का मामला है, ना ठाकुर का, ना ब्राह्मण का, ना ईसाई का, ना सरदार का. देश के हित से अगर जुड़ा मामला है तो आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. लेकिन सिर्फ मायावती जी से और आसिफ वकार की बात क्यों करते हैं? 436 करोड़ रुपए का मामला भारतीय जनता पार्टी का है. क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ये आगे बढ़कर अपनी ईमानदारी की मिसाल पेश नहीं करना चाहिए? हमारे तो समोसे और चाय का हिसाब आप रख रहे हैं.
समोसे
और आप अपनी पार्टी के बारे में ये क्यों नहीं बताने पर तैयार है कि 20,000 रुपए आपको किसने दे दिए कि आप 436 करोड़ रुपए आपको चंदा हो गया?
आप सुबह से बोल रहे हैं हम खाली समोसे खाते हैं, चाय पीते हैं.
Just hold on a minute. Shambhit, I just want to come in here. Sambit, 1 minute. 1 minute. I just want to come in here, but taking off from the point that he's made and you were alluding to before that, Sambit Patra, which is to say that you have taken the first step. Please help us understand what is it in terms of political funding that you are making completely transparent. 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupee donations, are they transparent? Will you today, Sambit Patra, Syed Aseem Waqar ji, 1 minute, मैं सवाल पूछ लूं, एक सवाल मैं भी पूछ लूं यहाँ पे,
हिसाब हुआ है नहीं हुआ?
हाँ, ओके, Syed Aseem Waqar जी, 2 मिनट शांत हो जाइए, एक सवाल हमें भी बीजेपी से पूछने दीजिए.
पड़ेगा आपको.
Okay, Sambit Patra, the point here is, will you come out and give details of all of those deposits and transactions that have happened in the lead up to demonetization announcement?
Yes, Tanvi.
And after that, because that is a question every other political party and panelist today is asking.
Tanvi,
above 20 and below 20,000 also,
yes,
all the
Tanvi,
donations.
On a very serious note, this is a very important question. Thank you for asking me. I should bring clarity to this. Remember, only a few days ago when the election
Okay. At this point, I'll have to interrupt you. We are cutting across to a live press conference of Sports Minister Vijay Goyal, who is going to speak on Suresh Kalmadi becoming the life chairman of the Indian Olympics Association. Let's cut across to that press conference.
IOA. This is totally unacceptable to us, as both are facing serious corruption and criminal charges against them. In fact, IOC was suspended. Sorry. Sorry. In fact, IOA was suspended by IOC when Abhay Chautala and Lalit Bhanot were elected as office bearers of IOA, and the suspension was lifted only when the both were removed from the management. Sports is for public good, and sports governance is a public function, and therefore it is governed by public law. We have sought details, and on receipt of complete report, we shall review the situation and take appropriate action. Our government is committed for good governance and transparency in sports. Thank you.
इससे रिपोर्ट मांगी है आपने आईओ ऑफिशियल से या
नहीं, वो तो हम आईओ से लेंगे, आईओ से रिपोर्ट लेंगे.
बट आईओ एक ऑटोनोमस बॉडी है और आईओसी का जो रूल कहता है कि गवर्नमेंट का इंटरफेरेंस उसमें नहीं हो सकता है, तो कितना आप लोगों का जो.
देखिए, एक बात बड़ी स्पष्ट है कि सरकार से बड़ा कोई नहीं. सरकार को यही देखना है कि वो कहां, कैसे और कब इस चीज में दखल देगी, ताकि जो लोग जिनके ऊपर सीरियस चार्जेस हैं क्रिमिनल और करप्शन के, वो लोग इन स्पोर्ट्स की बॉडीज में नहीं रहेंगे. तो हमारी सरकार जो भी कदम ठीक समझेगी उसको उठाएंगे. हमको रिपोर्ट को मंगवाने दीजिए, उसके बाद हम आईओए के ऑफिस बेरर से बात करेंगे और उसके बाद अगला कदम आपको बताएंगे.
Okay, so that's Vijay Goyal. Yes, that's Vijay Goyal.
That was the Vijay Goyal, Sports Minister, and that's the point. You know, this matches with the debate that we are currently having. Should questions not be asked, because people who are being appointed even now to sports bodies are powerful people, people from the world of politics, and if questions are being asked of these people, then you know, it becomes political vendetta. Is this going to be seen as political vendetta? You know, this is the question I can ask to Sunil Alag. Sunil Alag, if action is taken against Abhay Chautala and Suresh Kalmadi, is this also political vendetta? Should clean governance, clean politics not be the objective of every citizen of this country?
You know, you're so right, and I'm saying it from the beginning. The process has just begun. If we are going to carry on questioning what has happened in the past, it will never get going. We have corruption in our DNA. All Indians, I'm saying it. Now to change that, to change that is going to take 6, 7, 8 years. And Mr. Modi has just begun. If you're going to put a leg out and trip him, first catch so-and-so, then catch me, then whoever gets caught, gets caught. You explain yourself, that's all. Now, you have to understand that first.
Okay,
otherwise,
Sambit
nobody
Patra,
will get
Sambit
caught,
Patra,
nothing
which
will
is
happen
why
in our
everything
nation,
comes down
and
to
you'll keep
this
passing the
question.
buck. That's all I'm
While
saying.
on the one side there is this whole vendetta politics campaign that is going on, when questions are asked of son of a former chief secretary, question of vendetta politics. Question is, how long can you continue to preach other political parties when you yourself will not clean up your backyard? The backyard is the political funding. Questions will be asked. Questions will be
खाना
asked.
बंद करेंगे तभी मैं कुछ बोल पाऊंगा, तब से समोसा खा रहे हैं। देखिए ये आप समोसा खाना बंद करिए, मुझे उत्तर देने दीजिए, उसके बाद समोसा
सईद असीम वकार, सीरियस क्वेश्चन है, सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से है।
सुबह से समोसा खा, प्लीज सर समोसा थोड़ी देर समोसा रोकिए।
नहीं, let's not trivialize this debate. Let's not trivialize.
समोसा चाय, what is this debate? I want to answer some serious questions.
Yes, serious questions. When is BJP going to bring around transparency in their own political funding?
See, in fact, Navika, today something very shameful has happened. The shameful thing is, as you were rightly pointing out about the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu, he has come out openly, despite the fact that he was caught red-handed, he has come out openly and he has thanked a Chief Minister and the Vice President of a national party. The corrupts thanking the ACA. This is what we have reduced to Indian politics. I mean, the second part is, who will reform this? Why is all this happening? This is happening because of the well-known fact that despite a nexus of corrupts existing,
और आप 436 करोड़ रुपए का हिसाब नहीं दे रहे हैं, आप कह रहे हैं बस चंदा दे दिया लोगों ने, किसने दिया आप बताने में तैयार नहीं है,
आपको परेशानी हो रही है, बहुत जल्दी आप बीएसपी में जाने वाले हैं, मुझे पता है।
Now we are going round and round in circles. We are not getting any answers here. We are going around in circles.
He's so busy with the samosa, he does not want anyone to answer.
Yeah, 1 minute.
आपको समय दूंगी, मैं आपको समय दूंगी।
हाँ, आप बीएसपी को डिफेंड मत करिए।
Sambit, you want to quickly make your point instead of getting into another slanging match? We need to very quickly go across to other panelists.
In the middle of me.
Yeah, Sambit, just go on.
क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ।
सईद असीम वकार जी, एक मिनट रुक जाइए, सवाल उनसे पूछा गया, उनको जवाब देने दीजिए।
Rise above the samosas.
Number one. Why are we having? Yes, why are we having all these debates? We are having all these debates because all these nexus, the nexus between the politicians, the corrupt businessman, and the corrupt bureaucrats today have been pulled out into a zone of discomfort. And who has pulled them into this zone of discomfort from zone of comfort? None other than the Prime Minister of the country, Mr. Narendra Modi.
You're still not answering the question. What about reforms of your own political funding? Of your own. For that you don't have to wait for anybody. When will that happen? Why only rhetoric? Why not no action on it?
The Bharatiya Janata Party has been following to the last word the rule of the land.
Change the rules.
We will change.
Citizens are asking for change of rules.
Citizens have a right to answer, question that, and we are answering it with all our earnest. When the Prime Minister said, I want to change the rules, I want to bring about a...
Now we've heard this for a while, Sambit. The point is somebody needs to take the lead in terms of action. Very quickly need to wrap up this debate now. Sabha Naqvi wanted to make a point. Sabha, please go and have the last word here, and then we'll very quickly wrap this up.
I just want to say one thing. There is a very, very simple way, Sambit. There's a very simple way to curb black money and to stop our democracy from hollowing out. All political funding.
If there's such a simple way,
by example,
1 minute, Sambit, now you have to allow her to speak.
Example, let your party take a position on corporate funding.
Sabha, this is absolutely wrong. You never said let the Congress do this, let the Aam Aadmi Party do this.
Well,
BJP is fighting against corruption.
You're the party that is taking the lead in improving the situation as far as governance is concerned.
And thereafter let's fight corruption.
No, Sambit Patra, you're the party that's taking the lead in the crackdown on black money and corruption. You're the one going for the common man. You're the one reading the Riot Act to the common man as far as his income tax returns are concerned, his bank accounts are concerned. So the onus is also on you to clean up your own politics, your own political funding? That's the question. That's the expectation citizens have out of the BJP, and we hope you look at those expectations. For the moment, of course, all political parties making this an issue of federalism and an attack on federalism by the BJP. But should agencies be actually stymied in their entire drive against corruption and black money with this political overhang on their head? That's the question citizens of this country are asking. Should agencies be allowed to function independently and bring the guilty to book? That's the question that we will continue to ask here on Times Now. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1, to all my panelists here on the News Hour.